So I was going to film a video today, and then I woke up and my throat decided that it just was giving up. It hurts really bad. The only reason that it sounds half decent right now is because I've been drinking so much water on the way to the doctor's office. I'm here now. I'm really praying that it's not COVID, and it doesn't feel like, it feels like strep. I don't have tonsils, but I've had strep multiple times since getting my tonsils removed. So it's not impossible to get strep if you don't have tonsils, if you didn't know that. But they can never do a test on me because I don't have tonsils to swab. So they just swab the back of my throat, which is a pain in the butt. But I'm here now. I'm about to go inside and see what happens. Hopefully they're just gonna give me some antibiotics and I'll be on my way. COVID times just stress me out because I'm thinking, well, what if somebody in the waiting room has COVID and I get it from them? Anyway, I'm gonna go inside and be seen now, so I'll update you when I get back to the car.
Is not only for urgent care needs like illness, x-rays, cuts, bruises, and burns.
Yes, this is. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm sorry. I was calling trying to get an appointment for a COVID test.
Okay, that's not a problem. Let me get you in.
So I am just now leaving the doctor's office. That was crazy. I had to wait about an hour and 30 minutes to be seen because something was going on with their computers and their system was shut down, which I understand, have been there before, but whew, man, that was quite a wait. And it was hot in there because I was sitting in the direct sun, but I couldn't move seats because they had specific seats you could sit in. She tested me for strep and it came back negative. She did not feel the need for a COVID test because I do not have the requirements for a COVID test unless I wanted to be tested, and I did not. I don't want to put myself through that for no reason. My only symptom is a sore throat and swollen lymph nodes. She looked at my throat and she agreed with me that it was probably strep even with a negative test because I don't have tonsils, so there's nothing for them to really swab except for the back of my throat, which makes it harder to get a positive strep test. And I get strep at least once a year, so I'm 99% sure that's what it is. So she wrote me a prescription for that, so I'm gonna go pick that up, pick me up some lunch, and yeah, so I'll see ya when I see ya, you know? I'll see ya when I see ya. So, oh man, that hurts to talk. So I just picked up my prescriptions, some lunch for me, and Luxi. I am super sweaty because today, well, this morning it was 30 something degrees and now it's almost 80. Yay, Texas. That's probably why I'm sick, to be quite honest. Luxi's back there shaking up her animal crackers. And I am finally going home. Maybe, just maybe, I can get Luxi to take a nap so I can sit on the couch and watch a couple of Netflix shows and wallow in self-pity.
4 o'clock, wallow in self-pity.
Yeah, see you at home.
Today is really not going my way, so I'm sorry if I'm not holly jolly. It's the truth, it's real life. I don't think that I have a fever, but I'm sweating really bad because it's 80 freaking degrees and it was 30 degrees this morning. That's probably why I'm freaking sick. But Luxi just went down for a nap. I'm about to turn on some Netflix. My show right now is Virgin River. It's been a really long time since I've said my show right now because I've been so busy I haven't watched anything, but I did take a night where I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning watching Virgin River because it's so good. So I'm about to take my medicine and eat. But whenever I got home, I did notice something very important sitting on my porch. She came. She's here. After calling FedEx probably 30 times, she's here. I was going to go ahead and put it on the charger, but I'm starving, so I'm going to go ahead and eat first. Yes, Netflix, I know the prices are increasing. I know, you've only said it 50 times. Okay. I do want to add that my favorite sick meal ever is from a very specific restaurant, but hot and sour soup, must. Have to have the hot and sour soup. Makes your nose run, clears you out, drains your sinuses. Hot and sour soup, must have. With the little chips that they give you, and kung pao chicken without the peanuts, an egg roll, fries with soy sauce or coconut aminos, and this is also important, a iced jasmine tea. Something about it. This is my sick meal. Do you have a sick meal? I definitely do, and this is it. Ah, yes, a box inside of a box. Isn't she lovely? I'm so happy you're finally here. Ooh. Made this sick girl's day. There we go. Oh, I think I'm going to set it up here for now, next to Luxi's high chair, which is the most disgusting place in the house. And I may move it somewhere else eventually, but I don't know. We'll see. It says to let it charge for 3 hours and then run it. So 3 hours we go. It's got a little battery thing flashing right here too. Stefano asked me to come out to the pond with him, that it feels really nice out. And he thinks it would kill some of my germs. So I'm gonna walk out there with him.
So I just woke up. Stefano was nice enough to keep everything running and going while I took a nap, so that was very nice of him. And my throat hurts way worse than it did earlier, so I'm gonna make myself another bowl of soup and hope that it helps like coat my throat or something.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Oh, your baby. Baby. Yeah.
So I just finished installing the Roomba app on my phone to connect it to my Roomba, and now it has an update, of course. I named her Susie for Susie Homemaker. So now I'm gonna wait for this so I can run it. So my camera died shortly after starting cleaning the playroom, but I did finish cleaning the playroom even though I was feeling awful, and I'm still feeling awful. You can probably tell from my voice, but it is what it is, mom life. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that way you don't miss any of my videos. But once again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a Merry Christmas. Bye!